Hello family members, my name is Amarodago and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, I'm originally from Nigeria and I bring to you content based on how you can obtain your visas, immigration news, and how you can live your best life right here in España. If you think you can relate to this content, please do well to consider subscribing by pressing the red subscribe button down below. Turn on about notifications so whenever I post you'll be the first to get notified. Liking this video if you like my kind of content, sharing this content to other people who you think may need problem solving videos just like this one. And based on a request on this channel, I would like to do this video. It just shows you that I listen to your questions and I would also answer them with a video if I can. So today, based on this question here, we will go straight into today's video. But before then, disclaimer, I am not an immigration lawyer, neither am I a recruiter. This video is brought to you based on my personal research and personal experience. Alright, do your research before you take your next step.
Subscribe to Amarodago's YouTube channel, where she shares content on Spanish visa procurement and different immigration processes.
In this video, we are going to cover how to open a Spanish bank account for international students. So basically, if you're an international student, that means you are here for a long duration of time, you need to open a Spanish bank account. In order for you to avoid unnecessary costs associated with your Spanish bank account, because nothing is worse than having deductions from the bank that is supposed to be saving your money. That is why it's important to be aware of all potential fees that might be incurred when you are comparing your bank options. So in order to help you save money, we are going to be looking at 2 tips that would assist you as an international student. When you open a bank account in Spain, you will most likely receive both a debit and a credit card. You can use these cards to withdraw money from your bank ATM machine for free. However, remember, it's likely that you will have been charged a fee to withdraw the money at the ATM from other banks in Spain or in Europe. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, Revolut, and N26 are some amazing online option banks that offer free limited withdrawal even from abroad. In addition to an easy sign-up process online, cheap international money transfers, international debit card that you can use worldwide with minimal fees and much more. The second tip is the standard banking transfer within the European Union that are always free of charge, but bank transfers to and from outside the EU are very costly and can be avoided by using money transfer services like Wise, Revolut, and N26. Let's move on to how to open a Spanish bank account for an international student or somebody who is a non-resident. Basically, you can open a bank account with most banks in Spain once you have arrived in the country, but not before. So you can't open any bank account from your home country. No, you can't. If you do not have NIE or TIE at the time of application for the account, then you will need to open your bank account as a non-resident. This is not a problem with some of the top recommendation banks that I will be mentioning after now. Just remember that you should switch your non-resident bank account to a resident bank account once you do have your NIE or TIE, as the case may be. The process is very easy, and all you need to do is to present your NIE or TIE to your bank. If you do not have to apply, perhaps because you are staying less than 6 months, then simply make sure you cancel your bank account before leaving Spain at the end of your stay. So what documents do we need? We are going to be mentioning the documents that are needed in order to open this Spanish bank account. A valid passport or national identity card, your reason for opening the bank account. Documentation is always required, but it is recommended to bring, for example, the letter of acceptance at your university in Spain or a copy of your Spanish work contract. Indication of your address in Spain. If you do not have a Spanish address just yet, you will have to be able to hand in the information later on. Some banks will also ask for your TIN, so it might make sense to have it at hand just have it at hand. And in order for you to register your housing address or where you live, there's something that is called empadronamiento. You need to check out this video here, guys. I talked in detail on how to open this. It's not a big deal. To open the bank account as a resident, you will need your NIE/TIE number at hand. It's good to note that these requirements I just mentioned now may differ depending on the bank that you are opening your accounts with. Some nationalities will be asked to deliver more documents than others according to the law here in Spain. You can find out more from the person who will be attending to you. Okay, so please keep in mind that opening a bank account in Spain with traditional banks will require you, in most cases, to physically visit the bank to sign contract. Your bank account won't be officially opened nor your card sent to you until you have signed the contract. The process can be quite slow in comparison to other countries. While your bank account will become active right away, your cards may need between 1 to 2 weeks to be delivered to your doorstep. How do we now open a bank account at an online bank in Spain? You want to open an online bank? Let's know how we do it. While traditional banks with physical locations are still the most popular form of banking, online banking in Spain is quickly becoming a very popular choice for managing funds. Online banks tend to offer many of their services for free at a very low cost. This is in addition to the ease of managing everything online and make them very desirable option, especially for young international students. However, to open a Spanish bank account with an online bank, you will also need to wait till you arrive Spain. Some physical banks in Spain that I have picked out based on some reasons for you to choose, because it's not, some of these banks, their fees are just so high, their withdrawal fee are high, you know, so you need to pick the best choice for you. The recommendation I'm making is based on the following criteria. Number 1, 0 to low fees, convenience, free money withdrawals, free money transfers, high service quality, and internationality. My 3 favorite banks would be Banco Santander, Wise, and Revolut. So, top traditional bank in Spain for internationals. Free transfer within the EU, free ATM withdrawals in Spain, service in Spanish and in English, free debit/credit with application, easy and quick process to open an account with your NIE and TIE, reliable and modern online services, free accounts if you're under the age of 30, several different accounts to choose from, and very known bank with great reputation. So what are the benefits of using Wise? Worldwide transfers at low exchange rates, free ATM withdrawals for up to 200 euros, free debit card with application, services in over 10 languages, international transfers to over 30 countries at real exchange rates, no bank fees, no physical location, access to local bank details with over 10 currencies, USD, Canadian dollars, Euro, and pound sterling. Open multiple balances for different currencies with one account. Another one will be N26. It's a completely virtual international bank. What are the benefits of opening N26? Spanish IBAN with accounts, free transfer with EU and worldwide transfers at low rates, 3 free ATM withdrawals each month, free virtual master debit card, Google/Apple wallets, services in over 10 languages, integrated Wise transfer technology within app, no physical location, built-in expense manager, and budget support. Several different accounts to choose from. Revolut, free transfer around Europe, America, and Australia, free ATM withdrawals for up to 200 euros, free debit card with application, services in Spanish and English, integrated inter-exchange rates for international transfers, no physical location, built-in expense manager and budget support, access to cryptocurrency, single-use card. So more physical bank options to choose from are also available. The next one I would like to talk about is Banco Santander. It's a traditional bank in Spain. Some of the benefits are free transfer within the EU, free ATM withdrawals at Santander ATM worldwide, free debit cards with applications, several different accounts to choose from, very known bank with great reputation, personal expense manager. Bankia, that is the next one. It's also a traditional bank in Spain, and these are some of the benefits. Service in Spanish and in English, free debit/credit card with application, free ATM withdrawals at Bankia ATMs around the world, free account if you are under 25 years of age, several different accounts to choose from, very known banks with a great reputation, and many locations around Spain. Evo Bank is also a traditional but modern bank in Spain, and some of the benefits to open these banks are free transfer within the EU, free withdrawals at ATM around the world, free debit card with application, easy and quick process to open an account, free accounts if you're under 25 years of age, several different accounts to choose from, very known bank with a great reputation. These additional banks are also worth checking out: Kaiser Bank, BBVA, Deutsche Bank, HSBC, Experts. At this junction, I want to believe that I have told you about some of the options that are great and the benefits of choosing each option. I have informed you critically about what you need to do in order to open this bank account, but most especially it's very important you go to the bank so that you get all the requirements that you need. But with this video, you definitely have a head sway. So guys, remember, I work with unauthorized Spanish translators, and I can bring this service to you if need be. Do well to use my details on here and contact me. I'll be able to bring this service to you in 24 hours. So thank you very much for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share this video, leave your comments and questions that you would like me to answer. I'll be in my DM 1 hour after I post this to get your questions and to answer them. But do not forget to binge on all of my content, because I have very informative videos on this channel. So do well to binge. See you on my next video. Till then, hasta luego.
Subscribe to Amara Devil's YouTube channel, where she shares content on Spanish visa procurement and different immigration processes.